everyone, I'm here with Raquel. She just sold us her house and I was going to ask you a couple of questions. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Wonderful. So Raquel, why did you decide to sell your house as is?
Well, I decided to sell like it is because I didn't want to deal with the repairs because my house was flooded during Harvey.
Okay, all right. And so why did you decide to go with Texas Ideal Properties?
Well, took me a little time, to decide it who company I wanted to choose. I have a lot of business cards and labels and everything, but I checked this company online, and the thing I like it because they register with a better business bureau, and I make my mind, that I wanted to do my business with this company with ideal.
Texas Ideal
Texas
Properties,
Ideal Property.
and that they're local in
Yes.
Sugarland.
Mhm.
So how was the process for you?
Was very fast. Was very fast. Took only 2 weeks, and Chris Bound was very polite. He kept me informed all the time, so I was very happy to do business with him.
Well, thank you so much. That's another satisfied customer. We appreciate your business. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And that's it.